You know there's life other than humans, and this is living with plants, and they need to feel the human touch. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jamala. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I talk a lot about my plants and my life with them, but every day when I come home, I'm going to say that I always do a little plant check. For the most part, I don't touch all of them every day, but at some point I do give them a touch just to let them know that they're cared for. An Instagram friend of mine, Tracy Hairston, wrote a book, I Talk to My Plants and Why You Should Too. That was a very good book on how to begin starting to take care of plants, but also not only do I talk to my plants, I also touch my plants. There are some days when I can come home and see that I've gotten new sprouts or I've gotten a brown leaf and wonder what happened to you today, or if there's a new sprout, I get happy and I'm like, okay, great, you're doing well today. So, you want to give them that little boost of energy talk. I touch the dirt, make sure they have enough water, and also just, rotate them. You want to kind of move them around a little bit and let the sun hit them from every angle, because if not, they will lean towards the light. Now, there are some days I won't bother with them. I'll just let them be. And that's fine, because they need their rest and they don't need to be bothered with every day. But I do peek in on all my plants every day. Living with plants is like having a new companion in the house. They'll let you know when they're happy, when they're sad, if they're just being neglected, or if they're just enjoying their environment. So here I'm just showing you how I just go around the house and just do a little quick check on my plants. So keep that in mind when you're growing your plants and when you're getting involved with them, and kind of understanding what it takes for them to grow. But don't give up the desire of wanting plants and how to grow them. Trust me, I have lost several plants, but in the end, you'll get much satisfaction out of them. Thank you again for watching, and hope you like this video. If so, drop me a comment, like, and share this video.